What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the High Performance Trader. Man, what a good day. What a good day. And the main reason why I'm extremely pumped is not just because we murdered the market today and we killed it, but I really want to talk about today how the team is doing. The team is putting in work, and I see it. I see the work, man. You guys have been putting in tons of work, and you guys are fucking killing it. I want to talk about though why, right? Because all work is good, but if you don't know why and what's working and why it's working, you're not going to be able to do it again tomorrow. So today we're going to break it down. We're going to break down the charts. We're going to break down the trades that we took real quick. Let me just show you guys a little glimpse here of what went down today. And then we'll dive into it with further detail. But here's a trade right here. We smacked SPX for over 139% on one of our three trades today. And we're going to break down why, right? We're going to break down what we looked for. I really want to break down the mentality that goes into the market, right? Into consistent profitability. Because it's easy to show you a chart right here of me making 136% ROI or 139. But the mentality it took to get me there, okay? That's what's important. And that's what I teach my team, okay? When you come over to the High Performance Trader, you're going to learn how to identify opportunity, okay? You're going to learn how to trade better than 95% of traders. But I'm not just going to show you how to spot opportunity. I'm going to teach you how to think, okay? Because consistency is so much more than just knowing a strategy, okay? You have to understand the mentality required for you to only act on profitable opportunity, right? Like when we look at this chart, there's tons of opportunity, but you can't take every trade. You can't take every setup, right? You can't force setups. You can't go full retard. You got to know what to look for, and your expectations need to be correct. And that's why our team over here at High Performance Trader does so well, okay? Because they not only do they know how to identify opportunity like no other, but they know what to execute on. And they know what not to execute on, okay? Like anybody could join our team and follow our call out to make money, but I'm developing a team of straight savages, straight killers. I want everybody on my team not only to be consistent, but just to level up like no other, like they've never leveled up before, right? Because for you to become the trader that is successful, the trader that makes money, that actually pulls money out of this game, you're going to have to change your mindset, okay? So that's some stuff we're going to go over today. For anybody that's wanting and willing to take that next step and join our team of straight savages, click those links below and get affiliated. High Performance Trader is offering 20% off your first month, or you could sign up through Trader Bootcamp and get 6 months Discord access with me and with our army, okay? Everybody that joins our team levels up tremendously, okay? Because we are attacking the horrible habits, thoughts, philosophies, and mindsets that keep you from becoming consistent, okay? The goal is to get you on the team and get you to think differently, okay? Because the way you're thinking currently just isn't working. Man, what a good day. Todd, you killed it. Todd killed it today. Todd, hold on. Todd is what we like to call an HPT veteran, okay? Todd has been on the Discord for the last year and a half, 2 years, since we started. Todd absolutely killed it. We're going to be going over some trades that we took, Todd took, we all took, and just what I like to call fruitful opportunity, okay? Because 95% of traders fail. Is it because they don't know what to look for? No. Traders know what to look for, okay? Is it because they're stupid? No. I've worked with, I've had doctors on the team that couldn't become consistent. Okay. So once again, it's got nothing to do with intellect. Becoming consistent has everything to do with your mindset. Okay. When I look at this chart right here, well, let's talk about it real quick. So the market opens up. Okay. Every single day. Well, just to be clear, right? I want to be completely transparent for all the viewers. Okay. This is the trade that we took. One of the 3 trades that I took. Very simple, 139% ROI in less than 10 minutes. Okay. We went short right here when we fell below this level on SPX. We were shorting into previous day high. Why did we go short? 3 reasons. Critical level, moving average cross, RBI, GBI. Okay. This is the strategy. This is what we look for each and every single day. And when you go to my website, this is what I teach you, right? For all new members, this is what we go through. It's very simple, okay? It's very simple. But the goal is to keep it simple so that you can execute it. Execution is key every single time. I'd rather have great execution with a shit strategy all day. But the strategies, we're literally 82% win ratio on this strategy. So first thing I want to do here, shout out, well, High Performance Trader hit 3,000 subscribers. I love all you guys. Thank you for the love. You are an amazing, amazing group of individuals leveling up. I appreciate the 3K. You see here, we hit 3K today. And of course we did, because our message is so damn valid. It's so damn good. All right. So every single day I have the same approach, okay? SPY, pre-market plan, okay? So let's bring it back to philosophy, okay? The way we choose to view the opportunity is so important, okay? The way we choose to view the price action is so important. This is why with all the traders that join Trader Bootcamp, they learn the market auction, okay? The number one thing that we have to understand as day traders, hold on, is that we can't move price, okay? We can't move price. Retail traders make up 5% of price action, okay? 5%. We can't move price. Even if we got every retail trader out there, the numbers are still wildly against us. We can't move price. Okay, we have to understand that. So if we can't move the price, but we need price to move, how should we look at it? Well, we have to understand who's controlling it and where. This is why we watch our pit numbers. So the pre-market plan that's posted at 7:30 in the morning, I'm going, okay, I'm watching 687. You guys see this level, okay? Whoever can control this level, whether it be buyers or sellers, I don't care who controls it. All what I care is that I can identify who's controlling it. Because if I can spot the bears or the bulls, I then have a profitable or fruitful opportunity to execute on. That's the philosophy, okay? I don't need to predict shit. I'm not in the business of predicting anything. I don't guess the high. I don't buy the low, okay? I watch the level, and then I identify who's controlling it with my moving averages and my RBI, GBI. That's it every single time. So that was the pre-market plan today. Figure out who's controlling that level, okay? So the market opens up, and price rallies right here into our level of interest. Now, just look at this. We rip right into 687, okay? Obviously, it's a level of interest. Sellers and buyers are duking it out. Traders on the Discord started to take longs right here, and I was so proud of them, okay? And this is why. You know, I used to be the type of individual that would be like, oh my God, sellers are here. Let's guess that they're going to control it. Let's go short. Wrong philosophy, okay? Buyers are pushing into this level. So the first trade of the day, by our members was longs right here. Okay. Red bar ignored. Boom. Long into PDH. Now, there was something else going on here. And this is where my boy Todd from Louisiana really showed me the importance of the 2-minute 20. Okay. So right here, you're going to see the 2-minute 20 continuously being respected. Here, 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 pop. Okay. Beautiful long play. All right. Now, my first trade of the day was right. Damn, this price action is crazy. Okay, right here. So right here on this candle, red bar, ignored, I go long. Okay. I take this long right here, and I want to talk about why. So once again, let's bring it back to expectations. I didn't take one setup through all of this. Okay. The first 2.5 hours of the day, I'm chilling. No trade. Drinking my coffee, doing pull-ups. Because I don't care. Guys, I need the money. Don't get it wrong. It's not like I'm sitting on millions. But I understand that just because I'm not trading doesn't mean I'm not going to kill it. We set these false expectations constantly where we're like, oh my God, the price is moving. I got to be a part of it. No, you don't. You do not need to be a part of anything. I literally made $1,000 in less than 10 minutes today on this one trade right here. So once again, don't be the person that watches price action and since it's moving, lie to yourself like you need to be a part of it. You don't need to be a part of it. You have the tools to identify opportunity, whether it's at 9:30 or whether it's at 3 o'clock. Okay? So once again, guys, your expectations are everything. The way you view this game dictates how well you do in the long term. Okay? Don't get me wrong. This game, it feels so good to make money and get in smooth and just flow state. But that's not all the time. So you can't be the guy that FOMOs into trades. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't serve you. Okay? Every time you FOMO into a trade, even when you make money, you're damaging your mentality. You're giving yourself hits of dopamine and you're not following your strategy. Okay? So I took not one trade until 12:15. Okay? I'm going to show you why I took it. So there was a red bar that was ignored. Okay, that's one reason. If you whip out that 2-minute 20 though, dang, this thing just went fully retarded. What do you see here on the 2-minute? Price comes down. Hold on, SPX. Let me show you. So SPX rallies up here. Our first long play was right here. Okay. Price is rallying up into an important level. And then we get right here what we call buying acceptance above previous day high. So once again, when you learn to watch the right levels, you just need to identify acceptance at those levels. So I go long here at 12:15, and then I go back in long right here at 12:45. Okay, and we capture this nice pop to the upside. Now, what am I watching? I'm watching a healthy trend. Healthy trend, okay? Yes, we're coming into a supply zone. What if sellers show up? What if it reverses? I don't care because I know, hey, when the moving averages are hugging price and we're at a critical level, the buyers are in control. So now I just need an easy spot to get into the market. So that's literally the only reason why I hopped in that trade. But that's all I needed because I understood that buyers had the ball. Buyers had the ball. And yeah, Todd, and we're getting a clean break and retest off high of day. Okay, look at that. High of day, break and retest in it. The 2-minute 20, I was able to capture a really nice scalp off this pop right here as well. Oh, no, hold on. SPY will show it. Look at here on SPY. Watch the 2-minute 20. Right here was a long play. Why? Let me just, hold on. I'll show you guys the call out. Hold on. Okay. 12:47 p.m. in long, right? Trading SPX, one contract, right? I'm in the market long. My stop loss is I'm giving it a little room here because I want price to be able to come back into this level, okay? Just in case. So at 12:47 right here, I'm in long. Why? Look at that 2-minute. Look at the 2-minute 20. Look at the 2-minute 20. Right here, this candle. That candle's a 12:45 candle. Bam. Pop off the 20. Where does my stop go? My stop goes right below the candle I'm getting in. That's all I got to risk, baby. That's it. Because, hey, that 2-minute 20 is being respected. That's why I'm getting in the trade. If it gets disrespected, that's why I'm getting out of the trade. I'm risking nothing here. Even if this trade went against me, on one SPX contract, I was risking $220. On a $1,000 contract, that's nothing. That's nothing. Okay? So we caught that nice little pop there. And then I was able to get back into the market for a scalp right here, literally just because I knew what to look for. Okay? Ready? You guys seen the 2-minute 20, right? What about the 5-minute 20? Pop. So once again, I got back into the market for a scalp right here. What else about this trade is valid? Okay, look at the 1240 candle. That's an RBI, right? What if we draw a rectangle around it? What if we draw a rectangle around that RBI? And we come into it. And sellers can't take it. And buyers defend it. And buyers defend the 20. Does that mean sellers got the ball? Hell no. That means buyers got it. And they're holding it. Oh, man, this trade right here felt so good. Literally just because I was able to identify an RBI that held, okay? And it respected the 5-minute 20. That's it. In long, pop. So now I'm sitting back and I'm going, okay, those are two solid trades. I was pretty much done for that. I was like, dude, whatever. Let's go to the gym. Now, what about this RBI is so important? Okay? Dead serious, guys. This is so important right here. RBI. RBI holds. RBI holds right here. RBI doesn't hold right here. This shit, it's very simple, guys. Listen, hear me out. This right here is so important. Right here, we have a red bar that's ignored, so we go long. Price comes back into the level, and buyers respect it, so we go long again. Because we understand buyers have the level. They have the ball. Buyers lose the ball. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Buyers lost it. Where's our downside targets? PDH, 608.7. Pre-OP, EOD. Okay? Those are some good downside targets. Uh-oh. Moving average cross. Ready? It's crazy, guys. Listen, look. $1:57 p.m. I'm in short. Look at that chart. Look at it. Look at the chart. I just want you guys to know I'm literally going long right here. Or I'm sorry, short. Because buyers were here, they were here, and they are not right there. We are below a critical level. 60206 was a wall right here. Wall, pop. Now we're back below it. Head and shoulders. Moving average cross. Green bar gets ignored. I'm in short at 1:57 p.m. At 2 p.m., I'm literally up 139%. Like, you know, it's not like, guys, listen, and please don't, I'm not trying to be arrogant or cocky. Like, listen, that's not, I'm trying to help you guys realize what works for me. That's all. I want what works for me to work for you. And that's what's working on the team. Dude, guys, real quick. I got to give my members some credit here. Let's look at some of the profits here today. Oasis, bro, my boy right here. Look at this. This is a professional trader right here, and I'm going to tell you why. I don't mean to put it on blast, Oasis, but this is so valuable. Look at this. Oasis took a loss. Oasis still made $810. Is it okay to take a loss? Let's ask Oasis. Yeah, it looks fine to me. All right, it's okay to take a loss. But look at the size of his loss and look at the size of his winners. That's what we call risk management. That's what we call a professional, okay? Easy, in and out. Here's more. He's just killing it. Just killing it. And this is what you see at the whole team. Look, you got traders in the chat executing flawlessly. And this is what the goal was, guys. This is exactly what we wanted to do over here at High Performance Trader. I always wanted to build an environment where any trader can come and become the best version of himself on the chart and off the chart. Because you can't do one without the other. Okay, you can't. So, guys, I just want you guys to know, right? Like, it was a really good day. It was a really good day. Once again, nothing special, right? Are we worried or concerned about tomorrow? No. I don't care if it's CBI. These conditions have been shit, and we're still killing it because we know what to look for, okay? So, guys, I love you. I appreciate your time. I got to go take care of some things. Great work today. We absolutely murdered it. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. And, guys, click the links below. Join a team that's going to make you level up. And we are trading live on YouTube Friday. Tell everybody you know. We're going to kill it. I'll see you there.